What are supraglacial lakes and their role in meltwater routing? Have you ever wondered what happens to the water that melts from glaciers? One fascinating aspect of this process is the formation of supraglacial lakes. So, what exactly are these lakes, and why are they important? Supraglacial lakes are bodies of water that form right on the surface of glaciers. They primarily develop due to ablation, which is the melting of ice caused by solar radiation and warmer temperatures. You will typically find these lakes in the ablation zones of glaciers, where ice is actively melting. In polar regions like Antarctica, supraglacial lakes are quite common. They form in depressions or hollows on the ice surface and usually accumulate meltwater during the summer months. Thanks to satellite imagery, researchers have been able to map these lakes and observe their extensive presence around the edges of Antarctica. Now, let's talk about their role in meltwater routing. Supraglacial lakes serve as reservoirs for meltwater. This water can either drain into the ocean or flow into crevasses and fractures in the ice. When this happens, it can contribute to further melting of the glacier. Additionally, the formation and drainage of these lakes can affect the stability of ice shelves. As these lakes grow, they can cause the ice shelves to flex and even fracture, which may lead to ice shelf disintegration. This process can speed up the flow of ice into the ocean, contributing to rising sea levels. In the context of climate change in polar regions, supraglacial lakes are important indicators of warming trends. Their formation and behavior are closely tied to changes in temperature and ice dynamics. This makes them a key focus for researchers studying the impacts of climate change on polar ice masses. By examining where these lakes are located and how they change with the seasons, scientists can better predict how meltwater will be routed through the ice and eventually into the ocean. This research is vital for understanding the dynamics of sea level rise from polar ice. So, the next time you think about melting glaciers, remember the role of supraglacial lakes. They are not just simple bodies of water. They play a significant part in the complex processes that affect our planet's climate and sea levels.